Hello guys, this is Jed from Technologic site, and for this video I'm going to talk about the old AMD boards and parts. So I have the old MSI Core Cell motherboard right here, which is this is my new no, it's not new, my old loving gaming computer back in my um, elementary years. And yeah, oops, sorry for that. It is my notification on Facebook. So yeah, it did a good job. Also my graphics card and memory. I have a bunch of stuff right here. So this is a Kingston I don't know what gig is this. Just Kingston. Just a Kingston. Oh, right. No. Okay, just a Kingston. One stick. And a Eno 3D. I think this is a NVIDIA old graphics card right here. Just a 128 MB. 64-bit. But doesn't work anymore. And I have this no, it's not Athlon, Sepron AMD processor, which is pretty old. As you can see that Sepron, I should say, right there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of my building this old PC. It's not working, but the processing for building and assembling a computer should look the same. Yeah, it's the same. Yeah, from the putting the CPU, GPU, and the memory, they are the same as now. So hope you guys enjoy this old creating computer video, and subscribe, like, and share. Thank you guys, and let's do this. So this is the board. I put it at the top of the box right here so that it's safe from the static. So first is the CPU. Just lever the lock up, then get your CPU right here. This is a Sepron AMD processor. Next will be checking the orientation of the CPU on the stand right here. So match the point right here into the socket, then gently put it down and then lower the lever. There you go. Next is the memory itself. So this is a board with two sockets, but for nowadays there are 4 or maybe 2. Get your memory right here. This is only a Kingston memory. I don't know how gig was. Match the notch on the socket right here. So it does not go very well, so put down the lock first before putting it. There's one, there we go, works not well. As you can see, they are not compatible, so set it up into the right orientation right there. It's hard. It's old. Damn it. There you go. And as you notice, it's locked in. Next will be the graphics card. As you notice here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 main graphics card port. So get your graphics card, which is right here. Then just a 3D graphics card, no big deal. And then put it right here. It's like a memory. Oops, sorry, memory. Just put it there firmly, and notice that it has a lock. So don't be a fool. There's a lock in there. There you go. Then whoops, again the camera. Then lock it in place. There you go. And then that's it. You build just computer. So that's it, guys. You've already built a simple computer or a unit. So there are tons of upgrades and adds on that unit. Even though it is old, the process and then the parts of the motherboard are similar, but they are different now because the remote cable right here, remote cable will be for nowadays this is SATA or a RAID connectors, and then the memories here we got 4. There will be 2 ports for that, and then the 2.0 USB 2.0 will be a 3.0 already, and we don't use this kind of connectors, but usually like this I think VGA or DVI thing right here, and we don't use this kind of connector because we've got the audio ports right here, and then that's it. That's pretty much it, and we use a heatsink on our processor. So, but the connecting all of those stuffs, the sockets, the notch are pretty similar for how we build computer nowadays. So a gaming rig soon, guys, and then the guidelines for you to buy, parts you to buy, the fit of your rig, your parts, or you're going to build. I'll be uploading those stuff soon, so be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and share buttons, or just subscribe for more just content like this. And thank you, guys. I miss you, and how you guys doing? And thank you for those new friends for hooking me up. Thank you, guys, and hoping for this October 3 a new setup will be born. So thank you guys for watching. This is G Technology Site. I'm your host Jed. See you on my next video.